Hello people, welcome once again to Tech with Nina. Today I am going to introduce you to a platform whereby you can earn online. Yes, MoneyLion. So you first log on to MoneyLion.com and you can log on your phone or from a laptop. So I'm doing this on my phone. That is MoneyLion. Let's take a look around. Most people around the world use this platform to earn an extra income, and so can you. It's actually new and I'm just teaching you how to sign up. So you click here and click on log in. So we don't have an account, so we click on sign up now as a new creator. So these are the details required: first name, last name, email, and a password you will use to secure your account. So that is my first name, Edward. And no, let me clear this one and input. No, let me move on to the last name. So I input my last name, my email at gmail.com, and I move on to the password section. So with the password, make sure you follow the requirements and repeat the same password below. Don't make a mistake, otherwise the account won't be created. So from here, I click create account. Once you click create account, you've accepted their privacy policy, among others. So you'll be redirected upon clicking on create account. So let's wait patiently for what happens. So that is it. You've been asked, were you referred by someone? If you were, you input the referral code. If you are not, you just click skip. I was thinking, no, I don't have a referral. Let me try this. So this is how it's going to be. If you have a referral code, you input it and click next. So let's try something out and see. No, this referral code does not exist. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clear it and then click skip. So I continue on the web. Welcome to MoneyLion. The account has been created. You can be given a loan of $500, but this is, or let's say this is based on where you are located. So let's explore the platform. They have a lot to offer, and I suggest you download it. You can earn or borrow up to $1,000. Yeah, depending on where you are located. You can use this platform on your phone. I mean, you can get the app on your phone, or you can log on to the website via the web. Yes, so this is my account that has been created. You can even earn as an affiliate, whereby you can earn up to $55 when you refer someone to the platform. Don't waste this opportunity. If you're watching this video, click the link in the description and sign up now. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel Tech with Nina for more. See you soon.